Jake. Silly woman. What's she doing?
Anyways, good morning everybody and welcome to today's vlog. Gotta go at my home. Gotta show you what I've been playing. I'm a nerd girl now. On the Switch. Come on. I've been playing Harry Potter Lego. I feel like such a nerd. Oh my god. It's been pretty good actually. Normally I don't play Lego games on my own because I get stuck, but I've been doing good with it, so it's good. Anywho, me and Mum's here to clean today. It's a cleaning day. You like a uniform?
What do you mean uniform? It's a freaking shirt I found.
I like my fit for the day.
Do you have a barbecue?
No. Anyways, since Mima's doing the clean today, I'm gonna edit. Also, Eliza's Sheen order is coming today, so we're gonna film the last part of that video and then I can put that together and put it up, and I'm really excited. It's been a lot of fun filming that actually, so I think I might do stuff like that again in the future. I don't know if it would be Sheen or something else, but it's really hard to find places that stock things for like the whole family type thing because we've got a lot of people. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna pick up all my op shop haul clothes and put them in the wash because I want to wash them. Alright, I put this one up. It looks so cool. I'm just gonna shut the curtain to show you. But Kayden currently cleaning off this wall so we can put up the b-ball ones. It's glowing. It's glowing. Looks so cool. That looks so cool, eh? That looks so cool.
That one broke.
Wow, you're too rough.
No, the arm just...
I have to get some for Liz's room as well. Liza, look at these. Paella.
Do you like paella?
Never had it.
Portuguese dish.
Little baby. Ah. Ah, little baby.
It's a little bit spiced. It's alright.
Yo. You got a little... Anyway, I haven't showed them some stuff that Dad's been making.
Power.
And I gotta try and make it focus. It's the rock. What is it, Ken? It's my drive, it's my power. We stay hungry, we devour.
Yeah.
Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. You gonna get your hair cut soon?
I don't know.
What are you gonna have, mullet? Or you change your mind?
I don't know.
Tell me now. Anyways, Jesse's been making some random stuff, but I haven't showed you any of it, so I'll show you some now. First off, we have a little boat. Where's the 3D printed photo? There. I'll have to turn you around to show you this one. No, the light's not. So the moon that we got Tom and Nicole was 3D printed, so we can actually make those, which is pretty cool. But Jesse made this one.
I like it.
Can you get the colour?
Yeah.
You have to put it behind there because I've got it right in the spot where it focuses. Anyway, you print out, show me the colours before. This.
It's pretty close.
Nah, it's terrible. I need to find a better light. Hang on. There we go. So it's like the white turns the picture to the right colour, even though it's weirdly coloured, so that's pretty cool. Have you been having fun with your 3D print?
Yeah.
I showed them your little tugboat and the rock. What else have you made?
The tugboat is, that's a benchmark test to make sure it's working right. I made Zach a little pen holder.
Yeah.
What else have I made? Oh, did you
Some
show
things that failed.
Kayden's weird knife thing that he wanted?
No, I don't know where it is.
It's on his desk. What did I do for Jackson?
Boyfriend.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yo kid, where's your knife? I haven't showed vlog the knife.
Leave alone. It's called a chakra blade.
It's not sharp, so don't be offended or worried. Yeah, it's just plastic. What is it from? Anime?
Yeah, it's from Naruto.
Oh.
Asuma used it.
And then there was like... Ah, don't pull that.
I made the robot thing that didn't work.
Oh yeah.
Slug.
Oh, my slug. Maybe a slug. Hey Jax, where's your boyfriend? 3D print boyfriend. Is it in your room? I requested a slug. I've seen them all over TikTok, and I don't know, they're not as cool as I thought they were gonna be. They're cute though. Little sluggy.
You might be wondering why I have a boyfriend costume on. Well, I'm going to show you two things. Here's Pluffy boyfriend. Here's the 3D printed boyfriend.
Pretty cool, hey? That's pretty cool. May printing you that. There you go.
Yep.
While I'm remembering to show you these things, I totally forgot that I was meant to show you the jacket that Jesse's Auntie Sam got for Liz. It's epic. Look at this. She's so hyped to wear it. I'm gonna put her in it and take some photos and stuff. I think it'd be cute. How cute. This is like something I'd wear, man. He's so cute.
Megan Posty.
Liza, you got a cute nightie. Eliza has rubbed shit everywhere, haven't you? Let's have a look. All of our kids have done it. Wow, love that.
Yeah.
Good morning everybody and welcome to today's vlog. So I had Kayden look after Eliza for me while I went in the shower because I was really needing it. Like I feel a lot better now. How was babysitting? Was she good or naughty? Are you a good girl, mama?
I got her a drink right and I was holding it and then she squeezed it a bit so I had to give her the time.
Yeah, she does that in the show. She's naughty.
My record was 5 minutes of not blinking.
What are we doing?
Cookie.
You have my hair on you. Oh no, that's your hair. Your hair's so long.
Yeah. I think my hair is long.
Yeah, you need to get it
You look at my rat tail.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Alright, we need butter, sugar, condensed milk, and self-raising flour. Alright, let's see what we can find. The light is quiet, that can be devastating. Condensed milk!
I don't know what to...
Where is the self-raising flour? We need 3/4 a cup. Do you want to look in the second drawer if you can see if you can find a measuring cup that says 3/4 on it? The second drawer over there, buddy. Silly Billy. 1,
Yeah, that's 1.
2.
Oh shit.
3. Now we need to cream it, so you'll have to turn it on to
Maximum.
not maximum heat.
Maximum. Max. 1.
2. 3. 4. 5.
Someone was up to 6. breaking the station.
Sing it with me. No, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I'm surprised a lot of people are coming in. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah.
Kayden! What? You told me to turn up to 7.
It's perfect. Alright, I'm gonna scrape the sides of the bow.
Yes.
I don't think that'll work.
What?
Because it's dough.
Yeah!
By the way, there's a bunch of flour in your nails. Oh shit! But Mom, I'm cold.
Here. Me.
Lisa by Area 21.
Right, chocolate chip, we got our tray ready, and white chocolate raspberry. We're gonna start rolling, so I'm just gonna change the battery first. Let's see the technique. That's way too small.
I'm gonna
You can add a little bit more, yeah.
Then I'm gonna grab another one. See? So it's a bit small.
Yeah. Alright, Jackson's still not up yet, so I'm going to go and wake him because it's time to get up. It's not sleep time. Little boy. Wanna wake up, little guy? Me and KK have been making cookies. You gonna have some?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a shower today or a bath?
Yeah.
Kayden had some like cereal left on the table like 10 minutes ago. Oh, before we started making cookies, so a little bit longer. And she got into it. What are you doing? And here's all of her snacks she's been eating. That's some clothes that have been pulled off the table, but wow, she really went in. Whatever though, it's fine. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. Alright, we've got the first batch ready. I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up and then we'll chuck them in. They only take 10 minutes per batch and then they have to cool on the tray for 10 minutes, so it's like 20 minutes per batch, but yeah. Oh, did Brovy get you a bed with Bot Bot? So cute.
Giving birth to a terrible darkness.
First batch is out. They look amazing. Oh, yes, I have to let them cool in here for a bit and then I'll transfer them and do the next lot. Eliza! We're done. Alright, I just made tacos for dinner. So this is what we got going on. I thought these would be good for the kids to try. Yeah, just average stuff. I did something different this time. I did onion and capsicum as well, so. Beam.
Meat up.
Try these crepes for
Okay.
pig.
Dead.